Oh my goodness, we are so excited. Guys, you guys saw the live stream on the 25th of January. Guys, we went down to Sticky in Sydney, guys. Sticky in Sydney. Guys, you guys have been waiting a few days for us to do the taste test. Guys, we're so excited. Lily, you have been such an angel. You've been such an angel. You've been looking at this candy and we are about to taste test it. Now, Lily is really excited about the Candymon. So Lily's really excited about the Candymon. Look at all of these flavors, guys. I did double up on a few flavors because they are my absolute favorite. So Mummy might have some midnight snacks. I'm sorry, Miss Lily, but you will get to taste, you know, a few of them. All right. Oh my goodness. So guys, if you guys want to know about Sticky, all of the information is in the description, guys. Sticky.com.au. Guys, big thank you to Lily and Ian. When we were down there, they were absolutely amazing. So yeah, we did pick up, we picked up 6 bags of sticky candy. Absolutely cannot wait. Cannot wait to taste test these. Oh my goodness. All right, so Lily, oh, you know what? Because you're the youngest, you get to choose which one do we do first.
This one.
This one. Okay, so
Is it toffee apple?
Toffee apple, yes. I have actually tried these toffee apples. I did try these toffee apples on the ferry, and they really do take me back to my childhood. But Lily's going to taste test these. And guys, it does come in a Ziploc bag, so it keeps the candy nice and fresh. All right.
It looks like a mint.
It looks like a mint. It's so Lily.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like mint?
No, it tastes like toffee apple. All right.
It's kind of pink.
Okay, so you tell us how it tastes. What does it taste like?
It's kind of caramel. Kind of like caramel. It's sweet. It
tastes like
kind of sour.
kind of sour.
Oh, it gets a little bit sour than sweet.
So toffee apple. Can you taste that toffee apple flavor?
I've never had it.
You've never had a toffee apple? Okay. All right. Okay, so I think Mummy has to have, oh, these are Mummy's absolute favorite. That is why I got two of these, because I know that Lily, little Queen Lily is a lolly monster. She loves her lollies. So yeah, it definitely takes me back to my childhood. Now I'm probably showing my age here, guys. But guys, let me know in the comments. Toffee apple. I used to have like toffee apple candies when I was a kid, before they took away all the fun of having, you know, yes, I know we do need healthy things in our canteens for our kids, but yes, toffee apple was in our canteens. Obviously not Sticky. Sticky is way better, but it does take me back to my childhood.
Let's have another candy.
See, Lily's a cruncher. I have to savor it. The taste is so, it's so delicious.
I know. I just crunch it. That's all I do. I suck it for a little bit. Get in there.
And then crunch. So who we are. So Sticky is a group of highly skilled artisans committed to making beautiful and delicious candy right before your eyes all day, every day. Lily, they are there. Guess what? They are there 7 days a week. They're there 7 days a week making candy.
So they don't stop?
No. Well,
What about night? Wait, so they're there every day and never gonna stop?
well, they're 7 days a week, Miss Lily. You'll have to check the website for the opening hours.
I want to do this one.
Oh, what is that one? Can you read it?
It's sour cherry cola. Okay, I want to taste this one because I like cola, I like cherries, and I kind of like sour.
Okay, can you show it to the camera? Ooh,
It's
okay.
heavy, kind of.
Yeah, do you want Mummy to open it for you?
I think I can open it.
Okay.
Ooh. Ah,
Mummy to help you?
Ziploc bags are hard
Yeah.
and weird.
They're keeping the candy nice and fresh, loves.
Open it. Ooh,
Okay, I'm gonna have to crunch the toffee apple. I'm gonna have to crunch this.
I got 2 in a row. No, I don't want 2 in a row.
Just take one. And you can always have another one, Lily.
Wait, there's all 2s.
Okay.
Finally. It smells like cherry sour cola. It smells like it.
You love cola flavored stuff?
It does taste like cola. I remember,
You can definitely.
I remember when I was really, really little, you gave me the little, tiniest zip of your last, the tiniest bit of your last piece of cola. Last zip of.
Last sip of cola. Thanks for telling the whole wide world. But yes.
This is what it tastes like, kind of.
That is.
Amazing.
I don't know.
This one, I bet it's gonna be nearly. I think that would be my favorite, probably, maybe. But this is gonna be definitely one of my favorites.
I'm definitely gonna have to go and get some more sour cherry cola. Oh my goodness.
Where?
Guys, they
Where?
sell-
You didn't get the double of it.
Oh, I didn't get a double. Well, I tasted the toffee apple.
But you didn't know what this one tastes like.
Yeah, so I tasted the toffee apple. Thanks to Ark. Tasted the toffee apple, and I thought that's delicious. I think I have a new favorite, but I haven't tasted the others yet. So, it's a little bit sour. It's not too sour. It's not like the Warhead sour. It's just a little bit. It's the best.
I said I like sour a little bit. That's how much I like.
So yeah, definitely can taste the cola, definitely can taste the cherry. I don't like cherry cola as a drink, but in a lolly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
This
So
one
Lily,
is
at the end we are going to
Butterscotch rock.
Butterscotch is my absolute favorite. I think I said that on a live stream. Yeah, so Lily, I still haven't finished. You're super fast. You're fast. Oh my goodness.
I finished it. I crunch it.
I don't want this. I don't want the sour cola
To end.
to end. Oh, okay.
You'll be like, give it to me. It's mine. No. No, I
that
love
is
that
just
one.
that is just to watch TV at night. Need some help?
Like, put your nail in the fire.
Want some help, baby?
Milk. A minute. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I need help.
Good try there, my baby. All right.
Ooh, it's kind of like that candy that gets sour at like the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ow, kind of hurt. Yummy. I hope this isn't really like a rock.
Okay, so
Butterscotch.
one for the cameraman.
Mmm. It's like butter.
Mmm. Oh,
Remember that
delicious.
candy you were just giving me?
No more for the cameraman.
OMG, like, what drink is this like? What drink is
Oh, I hope you haven't. What drink is it like? Well, Mummy knows an adult drink.
Kind of Milo?
No.
I remember this. I've had this drink before.
You've had this drink before? No, it's not snaps.
I don't think I've had snaps.
No, I hope you have not.
No, I've had a different drink that tastes like it. It's definitely different.
What do you think it tastes like?
The tiniest bit Milo, I think.
It's really caramelly. Buttery. I don't know. Now I don't know which one's my favorite, Lils.
This one's my favorite.
So far.
Don't know what that one tastes like. 1 minute. That could be teeth.
Okay. I'm still on my butterscotch. I don't like crunching. Okay. So guys, the last one is the Candymon.
No, Pikachu.
Candymon. It is Candymon. They do look like the Pokemon characters. It's Candymon, Miss Lily.
Pokemon. I got that. It doesn't have like a name in it, like what it could taste like. So it's just.
Oh yeah, so these are I'll probably know. Let me know what you think it tastes like, okay? Because there's different. They make different flavors. Of
Oh,
like.
because they're different colors.
Well, because they're different characters. So they
You're
sometimes.
eating a person.
So sometimes they'll make different characters and they'll put them as a mix. So they'll make different the same character. You want to try Pikachu?
Give me Pikachu.
All right. Do you want Mummy to get you Pikachu?
Yes. Pikachu won't stick to my hand.
Okay. All right. Here you go.
I need Pikachu.
All right.
Specifically Pikachu. Pikachu.
All right. Hopefully you guys
Give
can
me
see that.
Pikachu.
Oh.
Look at him. He's shining in the light.
Yes, he's shiny.
Shiny.
Oh, I don't know the characters actually, but I'm gonna.
Have squirrel.
What does it taste like, Lily?
Like lemon?
Like lemon? Well, yellow, yeah, lemon. Maybe the sticky crew will have to let us know maybe what the flavors were. I think maybe blueberry.
This one's kind of sour.
Maybe blueberry.
This one's kind of sour. If you put the face part on your tongue, it's like kind of sour.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like a crumbly-ish texture. These ones are really nice. These ones do crumble.
No, cameraman. I'm watching you.
Do not steal any candy from Miss Lily. Alright.
I feel like this is my favorite.
You feel like that one's your favorite?
I thought that was going to be it. I think this one is.
Sour cherry cola, guys.
Did you just say chili?
Chili? Oh, I wonder if the Sticky team have made a chili candy before.
That one looks like a cherry if you just look like it.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to taste the blue one.
It's sticky. This one's
Do you know what this one looks like?
Oh, for a second I thought it was a sad face, but
I don't know, guys. If you know,
squirrel something like that.
maybe if you know what this one looks like,
Squirrel.
Yeah, leave in the comments,
He's
guys.
blue.
Okay.
Just eat it.
You want another one?
I want another one of these.
You want? How about you
have
taste? Yeah, taste a different one of these. The mine tastes like maybe blueberry. Is it maybe blueberry?
I want to try open.
You want to try and open? Okay, so here. And then
I want to try it.
maybe try and get green one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get green. Wait, what's that one in there? I get green one.
Ooh, show that one.
Don't know who it is. Who he is? Oh, it's like. I don't know how to describe this one.
Maybe apple?
Kinda. Yeah, apple.
Apple? Because sometimes they mix flavors like apple, blueberry. So yeah, the
Appley, kind of blueberry. Oh, if you breathe out, there's like a clean thing in your mouth, it feels like.
it feels fresh.
Cleaner.
It feels fresh.
It feels like a cleaner just spray in your mouth.
It's fresh. It's fresh.
Like
Fresh.
Like a flower cleaner.
A flower. All right, so florally. Oh, I don't know.
I'm putting my tongue
All right,
on
so
the face and sucking.
all right, so Lily, I think out of all the ones that you have tried now, Miss Lily, I'm going to. We'll probably have these when we watch a movie. Okay. Okay, guys. So Lily, we're going to give them. Well, you're going to rate them out of 10. All of the flavors that you tried today. All right. So Miss Lily. So wherever you want to start, maybe start with the Candymon. Oh, you so Candymon.
A 9.
A 9. Okay, and why?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Okay. Okay, and
10 out. 10 out. Oh, it's 11. 11. It's supposed to be 10 out of like whatever.
10 out of
11.
10. 11. You're giving that an 11. Oh, so which one is that? The sour cherry cola. That is Mummy's favorite. I think we're gonna have to be
8.
an 8 for the butterscotch and an 8 for the toffee apple.
Mm-hmm.
An 11 out of 10 for the sour cherry cola, and a 9 for the Candymon assorted. Okay, all right. So Lily, what do you think? What do you think about this sticky candy that you tasted?
Sticky's candy is amazing.
Thank you so much, Sticky and Sticky crew, for all of your hard work that you do every single day. Guys, if you want to order your own, sticky.com.au. Friday and Saturday is when they do their restock, guys. But guys, check the description, guys. Sticky.com.au. Oh my goodness, I think this is gonna be. I think this is gonna be gone within 24 hours, Miss Lily.
No.
This is mine. This is mine.
No.
This is mine.
And this is mine.
Okay. Well, they're all mine. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sticky team and Angel crew. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, Angel crew.